for Veggietales is made possible by
Chuck E. Cheese's proud supporter of PBS Kids. Cool things happen everywhere. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
with additional funding from the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, and by PBS Kids Ready to Learn Television Cooperative Agreement from the U.S. Department of Education's Ready to Learn grant. This program is also provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Okay, Larry, it's time for a theme song.
Okay, Bob, what did I do?
HMM, you play the guitar.
Bob, I don't have hands.
Oh, let it right. Well, okay, little logo. You play this.
I don't want to play that. I look silly.
Oh, come on. It's gonna be fun.
Nope, not gonna do it.
It's for the kids.
Oh, all right, but they better not laugh.
Okay, it's time now. Better go out there